Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to make your channel stand out? Let's design awesome YouTube banners together. Learn how to create your YouTube channel in just a few simple steps today. To create a YouTube banner in Canva, first click the Create button at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type YouTube banner and select it from the suggestions to open a template sized exactly for YouTube banner dimensions. Select your preferred option from the available choices. Next, you'll be prompted to pick a template that suits your needs. Review the template options carefully, then click on the one that fits your project best. In this tutorial, we'll change the image shown here. First, click to select the current image, then press Delete. Next, let's add a new image. Click the Insert Image button, choose your desired image from your computer, and confirm. The new image will now appear in place. Select the sample and press Ctrl-V to paste it. Next, drag the sample into the circle area on your screen. After it's placed, you will need to make further changes to adjust the sample as needed for your specific project or workflow. First, adjust the size of this item so it fits directly into your design. Select the item, then choose the Resize option. Enter the desired dimensions, apply the changes, and ensure everything aligns properly before moving forward. Next, update this text field to display Lucia Gray Channel. Click into the text box, delete the existing text, and type in Lucia Gray Channel. Double check for any typos. Once you've entered the new text, press Enter to apply the change and continue editing. Resize the box slightly so the text fits, then move the text to the center. Now the text is properly positioned and looks balanced. Next, you can edit any text by clicking directly on the text boxes. This is how you customize your YouTube banner in Canva. You'll also find a variety of graphics on the left sidebar. To add a graphic, simply drag and drop it onto your design. Explore the different elements and templates available to enhance your banner. Experiment with layouts, images, and colors until you're satisfied with the final result. Canva makes design simple and creative. You can use different elements in your design, including frames. To change the frame, simply select it and choose a new one from the options. If you want to add another frame, just duplicate the existing one. Drag and drop the frame to reposition it on your canvas and organize your layout for your specific needs. To add another image, click on the Uploads tab and select your file. Drag the image onto your banner, then resize and position it anywhere you like. Adjust it to fit your design. This technique lets you customize your YouTube banner exactly as you want. That's how you design your YouTube banner using Canva's tools and simple drag and drop features. You've learned how to design awesome YouTube banners with Canva. Drop a like and subscribe if you want more creative tips.